Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Snuggs from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw her head, and I'm gonna draw an oval shape with a curved line for the top part right there. And at the sides, I'm gonna use some zigzag line downwards and turn it inwards at this lower point. Curve line across at the bottom right there, and I'm gonna draw the right side of her head with a zigzag line back up. Now for her ear on the right side, I'm gonna draw another circular shape with a zigzag line. A triangle niche at that corner, and continue that zigzag line back inwards to the base of the ear. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw an arch shape right there, and I'm gonna copy the same shape for the ear on the left side without the triangular niche. Now for her nose, I'm gonna draw in the middle point right here an upside down love shape like that, and below that I'm gonna draw a curved line across and another curved line from the same outer corners at the sides, and I'm gonna stretch it out in the middle point right here downwards and turn it back upwards at the side. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line on the right there, and another similar line at the side. A line across at the ending point above, and another one at the lower point. Behind that, I'm gonna draw another similar shape, crisscrossing at the back in an opposite direction. And I'm gonna copy the same set of shape on the right side right here, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape again on the left side. Now for the band-aid on her right eye, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line, turn it arch in the middle point, continue the line across to the lower point. From the top point, I'm gonna draw a V shape across right there, and I'm gonna copy the curved line downwards on the right side right here and mirror the V shape at this lower point. Copy that same bandage shape at the back in an opposite direction like that. And for her left eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there, and inside of that I'm gonna draw a circle for her eye, and in the middle point of that circle I'm gonna draw another smaller one. Thicken the edges of that circle right there, and at the outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular line on the left right here, turn it around the eye, and at this top point, I'm gonna draw some zigzag line across to the right, a triangle niche at that corner right there, continue the curved line around the eye on the right side, a curved line across to the right above the nose right there, and continue the line downwards on the right side of the mouth right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here and draw a curved line downwards and slightly inwards. For the fur texture on her head, I'm gonna draw some zigzag line along this side on the left, and I'm gonna copy that same shape at this top point, and I'm gonna make it randomly. Some are short, and some are across, longer to the side. Below her head, I'm gonna draw a curved line on the left side and on the right for her neck. And below that, I'm gonna draw in the middle point her bow tie with a rectangular shape right there. And from the upper point at the side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line outwards, semicircular turn at that corner downwards, slightly outwards at this lower point, semicircular turn back in diagonally to the middle point. Now inside of the bow at this outer corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards, turn it out at the upper corner. And from the side of the rectangular shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this upper point and another one at this lower point. Copy that same set of shape on the left side as well. Now at the side of the neck, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards right there and on the right side. And from the same point, I'm gonna draw another curved line out to the side and turn it downwards. Above that line, I'm gonna draw a curved line across on both the left and right. And below the bow tie, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there. And at the side, I'm gonna turn it downwards diagonally. And below that, another curved line across. Below that, at the side, I'm gonna draw a line downwards right there. And at this lower point in the middle, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the side of her outfit. And another similar line at this upper corner. A line downwards at the outer point right there, and a similar line at this inner corner. I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side here as well. Now above that strap, I'm gonna draw another diagonal curved line across, turn it sideways at the outer corner, upwards, and diagonal curved line back to the middle point at this upper corner. Copy that same shape again on the right side right here. And in the middle point of that upper strap, I'm gonna draw two lines downwards like that. And I'm gonna draw a similar line on the left side. Now from the shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, sideways to the middle point. At the side of that, on the left, I'm gonna draw a line sideways and turn it downwards. I'm gonna mirror the same shape again on the right side right here. Now at the side of her vest on the left, I'm gonna draw the grenade with a rectangular shape at that corner. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw a line across at this upper point and another one below that. At this upper corner, I'm gonna draw a line across, turn it downwards on the left side, sideways to the left, back upwards, and sideways to the right. Now for her shoulder, I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a curved line out, semicircular turn downwards. Another curved line downwards below that, and a curved line across to the right. A line downwards at the outer corner right here, and a curved line across again to the right side. And below that, I'm gonna continue the line of her arm downwards. Some wavy line at that corner. A curved line across right there. A line downwards on both sides and another curved line at this lower point. Continue the line of her arm downwards on both the left and right. A curved line across for the top of her glove. A line downwards on both sides. And a curved line across at this lower point. Below that, on the right, I'm gonna draw her thumb with a curved line diagonally down. Turn it downwards. Semicircle turn back upwards at the tip. Sharp turn back down diagonally. And turn it downwards. Semicircle turn back upwards. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the finger on the left side right there. A curved line across back to the side of the wrist at the outer corner. At the outer corner, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that point and another one inside of that. Along each fingers, I'm gonna draw curved lines right there and on the thumb. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the arms on the right side as well. Now below her vest, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there. And for the line of her waist, I'm gonna draw a line downwards on both the left and right side of her waist. Semicircle turn at the side. And a curved line across right there. In the middle point, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape for the buckle of her belt right there. And a curved line across for the lower line of her belt. Turn it upwards at the side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Now for the buckle, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at this upper corner. A line across, diagonal turn back up on the right side. Mirror the same shape again at this lower point. And continue the line of the outfit at the side with a curved line downwards right there. Now below the buckle in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a short line across. Now for the strap on her thigh, on the right, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line across. Leave a gap in the middle and continue that line across to the right. Copy the same curved line again at this lower point. And a line down at the inner corner and the outer corner. For the buckle of that strap, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that corner, and inside of that, a rectangular shape on the left corner, and I'm gonna trace the outer rectangular shape at this inner corner. Continue the line of the legs downwards, below the strap right there. Turn it inwards at the side of the knee and back out. Extend it downwards. Turn it slightly outwards above the boots. And curve line back inwards at that point. Turn it back out below that on both the left and right and a curve line across. Below that, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both the left and right. A curved line across on the right side. Semicircle turn at that corner and diagonal curved line downwards. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side right here. And at the back of that, I'm going to draw a curved line out. Semicircle turn downwards. Curved line across below that. And a line downwards on both sides. And another curved line across at this lower point. Below that, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line across and another one at this lower point. a diagonal curve line on the right side, and a curve line downwards on the left. Copy the same strap again at this lower point right there, and a curve line across on the left side. On the left side, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards, and on the right side, at this lower point, diagonal curve line out, semicircular turn downwards, and a curve line across to the left. Slightly above that, I'm going to draw another curve line across. Now on her knee, I'm going to draw a curve line at the side here, semicircular turn across to the right, and mirror the same line on the right side right there, semicircular turn at the upper corner, and curve line across right there. I'm gonna trace the same outline at this inner corner like that, and inside of that I'm gonna draw diagonal lines across like that, and I'm gonna draw another set of diagonal line in an opposite direction in the same space. Now I'm gonna copy the whole leg shape on the left side. Now for the patterns of her outfit, below the vest, I'm gonna draw off center a line downwards and another line on the right side right there. And at the sides, I'm gonna draw another line right there and another one on the right side. Continue that line at the sides downwards, semicircular turn to the left and upwards. And I'm gonna continue the two lines in the middle downwards to that curve line. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.